Is the backup now option grayed out on your WhatsApp on your iPhone? This could be due to network issues, iCloud settings, or not having enough storage. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem and get that backup working again. So let's dive right in. Before moving on, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go and check whether your iCloud backup working or not in your WhatsApp. If not, Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the Settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app here. If you don't find the WhatsApp here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Here's how you can solve the issue with the grayed out backup now option on WhatsApp for your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. Make sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.